Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's topic is the comparison of the two sheets. I am going to demonstrate a unique way of comparison. Normally, we take where it takes a lot of steps, but we have developed a button here which says my toolbar two sheets comparison. This button is capable of making the comparison between any two sheets. So the simple step I'm going to show you just for an example. Let's go to the summary now, and we have made a copy of this summary. Let's go to the top. Yeah, this is the summary, and let's suppose that we make a copy of this sheet, right? We remove and copy, we click copy, and in the end we remove it, and then we find the same sheet, same name, and with an indication that this is the second copy of this. Right? So these both are identical. Right? So if you click this button, this comparison of the two sheets, so it will try to find out, and it will not come up with any result. That means that these are there is no difference in both the sheets. Okay, so now let's test it and make a change in some of this. For example, this is 5875 or anything. So 5173. Let me make it 5177. Okay, press enter. Okay, now, let's see that what does this button do this time. This button, two sheets comparison. Okay, click it. You will see that the two will be removed with the difference identified, and it will highlight you that this is 5177 and its previous value was 5172.6875, and it is now 5177, right? 5177, and the previous value is also shown, and it has also identified that this figure is changed because that was the sum of this. So this is also changed. This is also changed. Previously it was 40932, and now it is 40926. Right? So with the click of button, it is capable of pick the cells which have been changed, right? And you can quickly find out. So this is useful in numerous ways. And all you need to do is this toolbar to be available, and do this with any file. Let's take a new file, Control N. This is a new file. You still have this toolbar because this is loaded already. Now, in this sheet, you write, for example, 33.345, okay, and you make a copy of it. Right? You make a copy. Let's make it move and copy. This one move to N. Right. So this is the thing. Okay. Now you make it, make a change in it. And copy, for example, 349. Okay. And there can be plenty of data, for example. I'm just showing you that it is going to work with a click of button in any two sheets, whatever you write, right? You click it. So it is going, it does not make changes in any of the sheet. It creates a new sheet, and with a diff identifier, right? So telling this that this is the difference sheet, and showing you that what has gone wrong, what has changed, right? So similarly, you can use the same sheet in same button to identify the changes in the two documents. So two notepad documents, you put first document, so you make a copy of all the data in here, irrespective of what columns and whatever. I mean, just put your cursor here and paste the data from one notepad file, take the other notepad file and put it here and run. So it is going to highlight you that among these two files, which paragraph has been changed and what was its previous value and what is the new value. So just with a click of button, it is doing it, making a different sheet. It is not changing any of the original data. It creates a copy and presents you the difference. I hope you liked it. Thank you very much, and see you in our next video. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we are going to talk about the external links. When you open a file which is having some external links, at the time of opening, you get a dialog box, something like this. Let me show you. I'm opening a which has some external link. And that sometimes users get annoyed with this such a dialog box. Either they are supposed to click update or don't update or even simply click it. To do away with such a dialog box once forever, the toolbar which we have created for you, it has a button. If you see this button, yeah, it says kill external links. What does it does? It lists down, it goes through all the external links and start breaking them, and then you can save the file and making sure that you don't need any external link which which will invoke the dialog box which I showed you at the opening of the file. So you click this button while you are in this file in which you received it. Okay, let me close it again and show you again so that you see. Yeah, I'm closing it. Yeah, I'm not saving it. Okay. Now, now this is my file, which has all the useful tools with you. We have discussed this tool with you, the synchronizing SQL Server. We discussed some other things like comparison of the two sheets, right? Like this two sheets comparison. Yeah. Now, this is the third button which we are introducing you in this session, that it will break it will kill the external links, right? So for this, you need to open the file first, okay? So let's open. This is the file which has the external links, and the proof of this is that this is appearing, right? When you receive this information from the system, the workbook contains the links to one or more external sources that would be unsafe, right? Such a message. If you want to do away with this, you want to reduce it, eliminate it from the next time, then all you need to do is just close it. And in the toolbar, which we have provided, this is toolbar is still available in when you are opening this file, right? So what we do is you go to this button while you are inside this workbook. Okay, now you are going to click it. So it is starting working, right? And as soon as it finishes, it tells you how many external links have been killed. So it has said 10 links have been killed, and it is reminding you that don't forget to save this file. Otherwise, you will receive the same link information again because the file is not saved. Okay, so when I save it, let me save it with you, and now I close it. Right, let me close it. Now I reopen it, then it should not display the message here. So it has opened it and not showing the message which was previously shown. Okay, so I hope you understood this very well, and you can use it. I have provided the link into this Excel file, and you can use it. And ultimately, you will be having all the access to all these tools which are uh, being developed and offered to my viewers. Thank you very much. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? Okay, thank you very much from to all my viewers. I've got a great response of my recently uploaded videos, and it was overwhelming encouragement from the viewers. I'm coming up with the ideas, the new ideas, which I can share in view of my experience and what I have learned in my life as a VBA developer, as an Excel expert, or you can name anything. Developer, whatever. So when during our work life or our experience, we learned a lot of things, and the key success factor is the sharing of the knowledge, sharing of the knowledge. Knowledge has to have relevance with the wisdom as well. If you just depend on the knowledge and without the wisdom, it is not going to be very much useful or worthwhile. So what is wisdom? The knowledge is proud that it knows too much, and wisdom is humble that it knows no more. Okay, so in our previous video, we have shared you that how to break the external links you normally get. So as you can see that these are the files listed. All my most recently uploaded videos have an Excel file attached. whenever you go to my any video, I have a consistent practice of making available the Excel file which is relevant to that video, and users can open it from the shared folder, and they come in and so. So many times I when I open the file, I see that people are using it, and they have opened it. So that encourages me. Please do go through these files, do access these files, and download it or open it and see and do the practice whatever is taught you, presented you in the video, right? So I wanted to show you this folder because this is my starting point. Whenever I start a new video or recording, my first step is to go to my YouTube stuff VBA folder and pick the last one and copy it down, because this is the this was the last one. I copied it to the from 79 to 80. So this is my today's session, and I'm going to open it and then show you what we are going to do for the part 2 of the same topic. Okay, so let's quickly open it, and it's going to open the file, right? So this is the evolved system. It evolved from nothing, from the ground zero, and we discussed all these in our previous videos, and these videos are listed in each file. This is important. When you open the Excel file, you get the links to other videos as well. And this is not just the link only; it tells you that how popular has been that video is. The most popular are on the top with a different shade, and these are being getting popular slowly, and it will be. And these are updated on daily basis. On daily basis, you will find an updated version of this file in showing you the other files, other presentations available with just on a click of button, on a click of a URL, you can go to the relevant topic, and it is telling you that when it was published and how many views it has attained, how much watch time has so far been done, and how many people have subscribed using this video, right? And how many impressions has YouTube given to us, and what is the click-through rate. So the higher it is, the better it will be, and so on. So just wanted to show you that this is very useful. If you, when you log on and you come to this, remember you have the access. So all you need to do is go to the last most, scroll to the last most sheet, and you will get to this sheet. Okay. So back to our today's topic. We showed you this button previously. That is for to kill the external links. Right? To kill the external links. And what is that? It is that when you open a file open, then you have for example, yeah, you have a file in the DKUP. Yeah, this one. Yeah, DKUP folder in which we have made the backup, so that you can open it and see the this one. Our focus is to how to do away with this. This is a frequently known issue for popular among the Excel users, and they get fed up with this. Always they have to think about what to do, update or don't update. So many times the users approach me. They say we don't want to see this. This is not relevant to us, and we just want to get away with this. What is the way of it? Okay, so I have developed a mechanism for them to do whenever they are hampered or they are annoyed with this message. They can they need to do is open this file and see this. This is the last time they see it, because after this, when they will click this button, in the here, right? So it is going to be killed. The external links are going to be killed, and then they have to save it. If they don't save it, it will reappear. Okay. So first we show you. Yeah. So we click it, and after some time they will get this message that the number of external links killed equals 10. And you have to prove it. But the issue is what were today's topic is that what were those 10 links, right? How to approach them and see them, the list of them, right? To preserve these things. Okay. So we are not going to save it. We want to show you. If we save it, we lose the external links, and they will go away. So let's close it and open the file again. Don't save it, right? Okay. So this we enable it. Okay. Now we are going to open the file again. This one. So that let that file come and so on. Okay. So let it come in. Okay, it is open at the moment, right? So now we have to see what is the process being done in here, right? So this is the file in which we have stored the procedure. The procedure is here in the this is the create bar, and this is the kill external links, right? Where is it? It is associated to the button. If you say Control F for find, you find there. Yeah, this is the button number 30 on action. As soon as you click on it, so it is going to execute this macro, and uh, it will be executed. Okay, so let's put a breakpoint in that by next. Yeah, this is the procedure, and we show you what does it do, and it's a wonderful experience. You would love to see it. Okay, so let's put a breakpoint in here. Okay, so fair enough. Okay, so we are going back to the Excel. Yeah, let's go back to Excel, right? And we go to click in here. Yeah, and this is our external links, right? Now it has approached it to this. Now it is checking what are if it is not empty, then it will do. Otherwise, it will not do anything, right? Okay, if there are no links, then still there should be a message that no external link found. If so, we can write here else means if no links found, then at least a message should come MSG box. That's it. At least it should give a message. Otherwise, means this is on the other case in case there are no external links. But since there are the external links, now it is go through all the links, starting from X, which is starting with 1 to how many links, whatever there. Okay, now it is going to, let's clear this immediate window, delete it. Okay, so that you can see that what it is doing. Keep your eye here. I press F8 here. Okay, F8 to go to the next step. F8, yeah. So it is killing this one link here. Then it is going to the next link, clicking this. Okay, so let's put a space also so that it shows prominently, separately. Okay, F8. So F8. Yeah, now you have this killing this link. And sometimes it takes some time. It means it takes time to kill, break the links, right? Okay, so just keeping on, right? And in the end, it is going to display you this message. The 10 links have been killed, and to preserve, please make sure that you save this file. Okay, okay. So this is a very short procedure, very short coding required, and it does a great job. Yeah. So, and it is not restricted to any particular file. Whatever the file you open, while you have available this toolbar, it is going to work. I hope you liked it, and see you in the next session with more ideas for you. Thank you very much.